Okay, today we got a fairly easy job. We have a 2009 Toyota Corolla, and we're going to be changing the cabin filter. So let's walk around to the passenger side. I'm going to show you where it's located. The cabin filter is actually located inside over here by the glove compartment. And what you're going to do is you first open up your glove compartment, and on the side right over here you're going to notice that there's a little piece right here. You just have to remove this. This is actually keeps the glove compartment from opening up too quickly. You just push this piece and take it right off of there. It comes right off, and just leave it over to the side for now. Then what you do is you come over to the vehicle itself. I mean to the glove compartment itself, and you see up in here, right there, that little piece that's behind this plastic. We have to push this piece here over this way and remove it. But you have it on both sides. You have it on the left side as well as on the right side. So I'm going to just put this right here, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Push it together, and you remove the box and just pull it down just a little bit. And if you look up inside here, right there, that's your cabin filter right inside here. So what you do is you come up, and as you'll notice too, there's a picture on here that shows you up. There's only one way that this cover goes back on. So what you do is you just push this tab in, and you pull it out, and that end here hooks inside right there. And you just remove this and take it out like this. And then you take the filter, and it looks like it might even be the wrong filter. It doesn't fit properly. Just grab it and pull it out. And then we're going to grab the new one, and we'll put the new one right back inside. So let me grab the new one, and then we'll come right back in here. Okay, now we have the new filter. I just want to point out to you, the filters always show a little arrow pointing in the direction that the airflow is supposed to be going through. So make sure you put it back in that way. This filter just goes right in here, just the way you took it out. Slide it all the way in, as far as it goes. Then you take your cover, and you hook your cover in on the side right there. I'll get a light in there, I'll show you. Make sure you hook this part in right over here, and then this is facing in the up position, and you push it, and you lock it in place. And then we take the glove compartment, just push it up, and you push it, and you feel it lock. And then underneath here, you just reattach that piece that you previously took out, like this. Pull it, and it snaps right on, just like that. And that's it. All right. Once you got that pushed back in here, close it up, and you're all set. All right. You might wind up with a little bit of a noise. Sometimes leaves or debris falls into the blower motor, but they'll just break them up, and it'll be gone in a second or two. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.